Mini Test 14.
You will hear part of a lecture about people living near active volcanoes.
First, you will have some time to look at questions 31 to
34.
Now listen carefully and answer questions 31 to
34.
All right now, since we are talking this week about volcanoes, I thought it might be interesting to step away a bit from the geological analysis and look at what it would be like to live near an active volcano. It seems quite strange that someone would choose to live near something that could erupt at any time, right? Well, there are actually some advantages to building a home near a volcano, and these advantages reveal a lot about how volcanoes impact the local environment. One benefit of living near a volcano is that you have access to unlimited geothermal energy. Geothermal energy, as you may know, is energy that is generated and stored in the earth. Heat that naturally occurs in the Earth's crust can be converted into energy that can be used for electricity. This energy is harnessed by utilizing the underground steam that has been heated by the Earth's magma. This steam drives turbines in geothermal power stations to produce electricity. It's a clean and sustainable form of energy, so countries with a lot of volcanoes take advantage of this. Look at, for example, Iceland. About 66% of its energy comes from these steam-powered turbines. In fact, only 0.1% of all energy in the nation comes from fossil fuels. So not only can we harness energy from volcanoes, but there's also some of the most fertile soil in the world around volcanoes. You see, when a volcano erupts, it throws out ash. At first, that ash can do some damage to nearby flora, fauna, and humans as well. But in the long term, the ash layer that accumulates on the Earth's surface is converted into a very rich soil because the ash is loaded with minerals. So people who live off the land near volcanoes have abundant agricultural production, prompting them to return even after serious eruptions. And lastly, volcanoes help to create lots of tourism. Think about Hawaii. What is on the top of the list of attractions to do while on the islands? That's right, visiting a volcano. And there are often other natural wonders around that are created by volcanoes. Hot springs, geysers, and interesting rock formations, just to name a few. These tourists need places to stay and eat, and tour guides to show them around. And have I mentioned that tourists love to shop? So living near a volcano practically guarantees that you'll be able to find employment. That's why there are generally large populations living in close.